Fractions and decimals may look different, but they are two ways of representing parts of a whole number. Sometimes we want to change a fraction to a decimal and vice versa. And to change this fraction to a decimal, we divide the numerator by the denominator, so that 4/5 is equal to 4 divided by 5, which is equal to 0.8. Or we can use the fraction button on the calculator, where we key in 4 fraction button 5 equals fraction button. 0.8 will appear on the screen of the calculator as the exact decimal equivalent. 3/8 can also be converted to a decimal as 0.375. This is also an example of an exact decimal, whereas 5/11, which is equal to 0.45454545, is an example of a recurring decimal. And we can show this in shorthand by placing dots above the recurring set of numbers. In this example, we will change decimals to fractions. To change this decimal to a fraction, we divide the decimal part by 10, 100 or 1,000, depending on the number of digits after the decimal point. 1 digit means 1 0, 2 digits means 2 zeros, and 3 digits means 3 zeros, and so on. So to change 0.4 to a fraction, we divide 4 by 10, which simplifies to 2/5. We can also use the fraction button on the calculator, where we key in 4 fraction button 10 equals. The answer appears on screen as 2/5, which is equal to 2/5. 0.35 as a fraction is 35/100, which simplifies to 7/20. And 0.125 is equal to 125/1000, which is equal to 1/8. In an examination question, you may be asked to arrange a set of fractions and decimals in order of magnitude. In this example, even though we have 3 fractions and 1 decimal, we will change all the fractions to decimals, as it is generally easier to identify the magnitude of a number in decimal form rather than fractional form. 5/8 is equal to 0.625, 2/3 equals 0.66 recurring, 3/5 is exactly 0.6, and 0.64 is already in decimal form. So the order of magnitude is 3/5, 5/8, 0.64 and 2/3.